Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. In this video, we are going to classify the cosmetics on different bases and learn how can we classify the cosmetics on various other factors. So classification is very important for the cosmetics. They are being classified on a number of the factors. So when we talk about the general classification of cosmetics, they can be broadly classified for the site of action like cosmetics for the skins, cosmetics used for the hairs, cosmetics used for nails, cosmetics used for dental care products. So when we talk about the cosmetics of for skin, a number of products appear into our mind. For example, the presence of different types of the creams, moisturizers, lotions, emulsions, milk products. Apart from that, we use a number of face packs, masks, powdered compacts. Apart from that, on the skin, various types of the skin tonics or like astringent preparations, sunscreen, suntan preparations, and apart from that, various other colored products like lipsticks, makeup, concealers, and skin lightener creams. So, for as skin is the largest, have the largest surface area. So, on different parts of the different skin, we use different types of the product. For example, the skin for the face, we use a number of products. For the skin of hands, skin of legs. So, the cosmetic products applied for the skin can have a broad category and have the largest number of the cosmetic products being used. Then when we talk about the cosmetic product used on hairs, for example, for cleaning purpose like shampoos or like for hair grooming purposes, various types of gel preparations, hair straightener products, hair tonics and hair conditioners. Now various types of the anti-dandruff preparations, hair remover creams, depilatories, hair coloring and bleaching products. And apart from that, various other hairs like for we use mascara on eyebrows, eyeliners, eyeshadows. So all these types of product, depending on whatever area that are being applied on hairs, can be classified into one zone. Then cosmetics for the nails. When we talk specifically on for the nails, one thing which appears into our mind are the nail polishes and the nail lacquers. Then the enamel removers, nail bleaches, nail white, cuticle removers, nail creams, nail strengtheners. Then after that, the cosmetics which are used for the dental care. For example, for cleaning of teeth like toothpaste, tooth powders, dentifrices, or the preparations which are used as the hygienic product for oral cavity like mouthwashes and gargles. This is classification is based on the actually what is the on the site of the application. Then cosmetics according to the physical nature of the cosmetic preparation. For example, different sorts of the cosmetic medicines are dispensed in different dosage forms, different formulations. For example, aerosols preparations like deodorants, cakes, formulations like compacts, emulsions, various sorts of the creams like cold cream, vanishing creams, jellies, mucilages, various herbal compacts, oils, powdered preparations, soaps, scented bars, solutions, then emulsions, suspensions, and stick preparations. Then cosmetics can be classified broadly on what organ they basically impact. Like for example, the skin products or hair products. For the skin products comes the different categories of the powders, creams, lotions, deodorants, cleansing preparations. When we talk about the products used on the hairs, shampoos, tonics, hair dressings, hair weavings, beard softeners, shaving preparations, hair removers, depilatories, etc. When we talk about the nails, nail polishes, nail polish removers, and other manicure preparations. When we talk about the teeth and the mouth, various products which come into our mind are like dentifrices, toothpaste, gels, tooth powders, mouthwashes preparations. Then apart from that, borderline and kindred products like, for example, the eye products, foot powders and applicators, insect repellents, they come into this category. Then the classification according to their functions. For example, they are used for the function like decorative or enhancement purposes like makeups, blushers, rouges, nail polishes, eyelashes, lipsticks, etc. Or they are also used for the corrective functions. For example, dry creams, heavy face powders, protective functions like cold cream, lip balm, suntan preparations, and they are used for the curative functions like antiperspirants, hair preparations, deodorants, mouthwashes, etc. And they can also be used for the dressing and washing purposes like toiletries preparations like perfumes, aftershave lotions, body wash, deodorants, etc. Then apart from that, they are also used for the extreme cosmetic preparations nowadays widely used like cosmetic contact lenses or like cosmetic colored contact lenses, then micro dermabrasion techniques whereby you are actually removing the top layer, or like chemical or physical peeling effects so that the dead skin layers are being removed. And apart from that, cosmetic can be classified on various other basic bases like the cosmetic preparation used for the baby products. Baby products are broadly classified like baby shampoos, lotions, oils, powders and creams, and other baby products. Then bath preparation products like bath oil, bubble baths, bath capsules, or like eye makeup products like eyeliners, eye lotions, eye makeup removers, mascara, etc. And apart from the fragrance preparations like perfumes, other cognac and toilet water preparations, and powdered preparations like talcum powders, dusting powders, etc. Then hair preparations like hair conditioners, hair straighteners, weavers, shampoos. Apart from that, various other types of the hair coloring preparations like hair dyes and colors, hair rinses, hair tints, hair shampoos, hair color sprays, hair lighteners with colors. And cosmetics can also be classified for the makeup products like blushers, face powders, lipsticks, rouges, or they can be like manicuring preparations like base coats and undercoats, cuticle softeners, nail creams and lotions, nail extenders, nail polish and enamel removers, and oral hygiene products. They can be classified into like dentifrices, which may lie in the form of aerosols, liquids, paste and powders, mouthwashes and breath fresheners, and other oral hygienic products. Then apart from that, personal cleanliness like the detergents, deodorants, bath soaps, other hygienic products, shaving preparations, aftershave lotions, shaving creams, and other shaving preparations. They are skincare products which we have discussed like cleansing creams, maybe cold creams, moisturizers, depilatories, face and neck preparation creams, body and hand preparation creams, foot powders and sprays, moisturizing creams, lotions, night creams and lotions, skin fresheners, and other sorts of the creams used for the face products. Then sun tanning preparations like suntan gels, sunscreens, creams and liquids, indoor tanning preparations, other suntan preparations, etc. So they can be classified on different bases on the part they are used on the function they are performing on or for the site of action or on the basis of the dosage forms. Then they, apart from that, colored cosmetics, in this lies various types of the coloring preparations like foundations, pressed powders, nail lacquers, suntan creams, camouflage products, or like products which are used for the treatment of scarring, mascaras, eyeshadows, etc. So these are the different ways by which the large number of cosmetic products can be classified. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe Pharmacypedia. Please provide your views in the comment box. Thank you so much.